you the simple question.
Okay.
Why did you join iMoms, and how did you get to know iMoms? And probably we'll then move on to your journey. What was the reason you wanted to join iMoms, etc.
Okay. Okay, I started planning for a baby in 2023, and after trying for a couple of months, we went to a doctor who suggested couple of tests. And in those tests, we were told that my AMH count is very low, so I have to go for an immediate IVF because as the time passes, it keeps on depleting. So I'll have to take an immediate IVF. I and my husband, we were not really mentally prepared for IVF, so we continued trying for next 5 months. And during that time, we saw this iMoms ad in Instagram where Ravi sir has appeared on Shark Tank, and we went to that episode. We saw that what it is about and what they are doing actually. And the very same day, I also came to know that after 2 days, he is having a workshop, and I attended that particular workshop. And that workshop, it gave me confidence that okay, nothing is going to go bad because it's all about lifestyle changes, some natural things that we can try in our day to day life. So I can give it a try because I still have time. It's not like my age is running out, or I am running out of time, so I can give it my time. And immediately after the workshop, I remember I was the second person who enrolled immediately for this program. And yeah, I started my journey with iMoms like that.
Lovely. So, after you joined the program, could you help me understand who was your assigned habit coach, your doctor, and then how did your experience go with the doctor to begin with? Because that's the first person you talked to after joining the program.
So my habit coach was Aisha Ambreen. She was not there with us from the starting, but after 2 3 months, she was assigned as our habit coach. So I am going to take her name only because she was there with our rest of the journey. And our doctor was Dr. Swati. She was just fabulous in the journey because the only thing that was lacking in both of us was confidence and hope. That we were every after every 2 months we used to say to her that, oh ma'am, nothing's working. What are we doing? Are we doing the right thing? And she was so positive. Like, she always used to give me confidence. She was one of those doctors who was able to calm my husband down. So my husband is kind of a person who gets hyper very very quickly. So she was able to calm him down. And that's why like we kept on going with iMoms. And because of both of them, Aisha was also superb. Like, Aisha was also, I have not seen anybody giving such minute details, such minute consultancy to a couple, like what you're doing wrong, what you can do right. So that was something that was given to us by Aisha. Like, very minutely, she used to tell us, okay, you're not doing this right, you can do this, and that's going to help you. So both of them, like, I also say this to Anush, that they've been our guiding angels in this journey. And because of them, we kept on going and going and going. And yeah.
That's so lovely that you use the word
Yeah.
guidance. Yes.
Yeah.
So nice to hear how we have been able to, as in our team, have been able to help you in this journey. Would you be able to also tell, like, what kind of changes you were able to see by making, let's say, for example, doctor's advice, be it with the medicines and the advice about the lifestyle changes that the doctor suggested, and then towards the habit coach?
Yeah. So, what we started was, as a routine, we started waking up early and we started joining these yoga classes. And we started making small lifestyle changes at first. For example, we were told that, get rid of the toxins that we have in our day to day life around us. So, just by changing, plastic bottles to glass bottles, then changing our diet, we were not a kind of people who used to eat a lot of junk food, but still whatever we were eating was not right. So we made that a point that okay, we are going to include some healthy things which have been told to us, which can improve our fertility, which can help us in this journey. So we started including that. I'm not saying that we did 100% perfectly, but 60-70% we were there in 6 months. Also, what happens is you don't, like, I was not able to see changes in my body. My weight was not reducing, nothing. So I was thinking, oh, nothing's going right, I'm doing so much of. But when my doctor suggested to get a quality check, it was just mind blowing. Like, the stats were totally opposite from the last checkup. And that's when I realized that how these things are helping in changing my lifestyle and changing my health. So yeah.
It was not an overnight journey. It was a lot of effort, and then
Yeah.
amazing, amazing. So
So I
lovely.
can tell you the timeline also. So I joined in February. I did one checkup in July where stats were not good, and then I did in September where the state stats were perfect. So yeah, almost 6 months of time.
Lovely, lovely. I really appreciate the kind of effort both of you all had put in as well. It's not a one-way journey, right? Both the ways has to work together. Kudos to all the effort. Anything that you would like to highlight in terms of, I understand you did mention about Aisha's efforts in giving you the minute details. In terms of diet and in terms of your daily routine that made changes into, anything that you think should be of a highlight?
I think these small, not a small, like these, I don't know what they're called, but these superfoods, we started including those superfoods in our diet. Like we, till date, I'm in 5th month of my pregnancy. Till date, now it's a habit of both of us that we eat those nuts and those small changes that we did. No, like we used to have chia seed in the morning. Then we changed our diet from normal dalia to millet. So those small steps, it is also helping in my pregnancy journey also right now. So the one thing that I want to highlight is adding these superfoods in your diet, because they are literally 1 second of, it takes 1 second of your time to eat it, and you can munch it any time of the day, and it also helps in your future journey. So that was actually the highlight.
How about yoga? Were you guys practicing together or every
We were
day?
no, we were doing it together.
All right. Was it helpful? How did you feel about the yoga sessions that we had?
No, they were very good. So we used to join 7 a.m. batch. Vaishali ma'am was there. And I would say that Vaishali ma'am is very calm, and she used to give us a lot of variations. So she used to observe that, okay, I'm not able to perform certain yoga asanas. So she used to give variations also. So I think we were very good. And Anuj was trying that for the first time. Like, he has not done yoga ever. He was always into, those physical activities, sports and all that, but he has not done yoga. But he also observed a lot of changes in his body, like, flexibility, his backache because of our routine, like the redundant job that we have, the kind of posture we maintain all through day. So he started feeling that his back pain started reducing, and of course, I think all those asanas not only improve your flexibility, but in a way it also improves your fertility, your egg count, your sperm quality, and all those things. So I think with the journey, we have realized that how important it is for us to do that, not 5 or 6 days a week, but at least 3 to 4 days a week. It is important for you to do that.
Right. Were you able to attend the Saturday's couple yoga session?
Yeah.
How did
We
you enjoy? Can you just give me a few words about
So
how it?
we used to enjoy that. We used to laugh a lot because when you're doing it individually, of course, you're doing it on your own. But when you're doing it together, it's not only a bonding kind of a session, but it also is funny. Like, you're stretching someone, he's stretching you, and then those kind of. So we used to enjoy that. We used to laugh it out. Okay.
It was a fun session, right?
Yeah. They were really fun sessions.
Nice, nice. Did you also get a chance to attend the workshops that our experts used to come and take, no, over
I,
the
I would not say that I was attending 100% of workshops, but yeah, sometimes we were. Few workshops we attended.
Oh, all right. There was also recordings of the same where you were able to go back and
Yeah. So, for example, if we used to observe that, okay, this session was kind of important, it can, give us some lessons. So, we used to go back to the recording and then we used to watch that. Otherwise, yeah, whatever workshops we were able to attend, we used to attend that.
lovely. Thank you so much for sharing all the details so calmly and so in detail. It really helps us also to understand how we were able to uh, be a part of your journey and how we are also doing. That's like a testament for us as well. Um, final thing. Thank you so much for taking this time and sharing all this. The final request or a question that I would want to ask is, will you be comfortable if we would share this message with our fellow couples who would want to join? If you are not comfortable, that's completely fine.
Can you just post my voice and not my face and
We
name?
will blur the face if you're not comfortable sharing the identity. That's completely fine. We will be able
Yeah,
to take
just
care of
just add Baki journey you can share. I have absolutely no problem. But yeah, face and identification,
it.
right? Yeah.
That will be lovely. Thank you so much for giving that consent as well. Obviously, we will take care of that because I feel, and we as a team also feel that the journey that you have gone
Yes.
through is very important that the other couples also get to know because this is a common issue that we are facing. So, this will give a lot more trust and lot more confidence about this success story that you have shared.
Yeah, because I know the importance because my husband always used to go back to Aisha and say that, no, why don't you bring us some success stories so that we can also get inspired? So we
Yes.
both know the importance of these success stories and we know that how inspiring they are when you hear it from a couple who has actually made it or
Yes.
who has, one step forward, who has gone one step forward in the journey. So definitely you can post it. Just please
Sure.
add the identity. Yeah.
We'll definitely take care of that,
Yeah.
Survey. Thank you so much for your time and thank you for joining the call today.
No problem, Priya. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, bye.